All right, today we're at MarineMax in Lake Norman with the AR250 from Yamaha. This is a twin engine jet boat. You can see big roomy platform to get on and off. You can hang out back here, rear facing seats. Going inside. Twin high output motors. So you got snap out flooring. Plenty of storage underneath all the seats. This is a twin captain's chair model. Storage in the observer compartment, glove box. Big screen for all your controls. This boat has cruise control, and you see the twin shifters. Floor storage, and a big roomy bow. Check this and many other Yamahas out. Lake Norman MarineMax. Thank you.